Well, I'm out here with 4-gauge shotgun again, shoot it. Just a little bit ago, I shot a quarter-pound ball. It went with 275 grains of F1, and it went 638 feet per second, which is slow in the bullet world, but that's a big bullet. So this time I'm shooting 275 grains of Cannon black powder, and I have a steel ball, 1-inch steel ball in here, which weighs probably about a third less or so, I'd think, from the quarter-pound lead ball. And we're going to see how fast I get this thing to zip along. Someday I'll try to see how accurate they are, if I can handle multiple shots in one day. But here we go. 1-inch steel ball with 275 grains of cannon powder. I have 4-gauge shotgun. Oh, well, son of a gun. Guess that was a bit more blast than the F1 powder. I don't know if it felt stouter, but it pushed harder and it knocked the shit out of everything on the chronograph. And it went slower, 626 feet per second. Well, dang. Take care, folks.